So we just got the eyelashes in, and she's gonna check them out. All right, let's see what we got. All right, let's see what it comes with.
It doesn't come with anything.
You're really not telling me anything here. You're just opening stuff.
Yeah, it doesn't.
You just dropped the tweezers on my finger, on my leg. So what? How's it work?
Don't know.
Is that some kind of, like, don't you have some kind of glue that you use? What does that say?
Bond and seal.
Oh, okay. So that's what you use to stick it on your eyes.
You have to look this up. The
Here,
company.
look at this.
So that might be the glue. I don't know.
This is what you put it on with.
Yeah. So there's no instructions. This is for someone who presumably knows what they're doing.
All right. So it has all different sizes. 330 to whatever. I mean, you want big lashes, you got them. And this is the bonding agent. So you stick that on these, and then you smush that on your eyes, I guess. And then this thing here, you pop that off. And then you grab them, and then put it on your eyeball. That's how you do it. I guess, I don't know. All right, so it comes with these tweezers with this handy dandy holder, so you can grab them. Then when you want to put it away, you go like that, right? It also comes with this bonding thing. And I don't know, it's got two sides to it. It's got that side, and then it's got this side. And I think that's the stuff you squirt on there. You know what I mean? We have to do more investigation. And then here's this. Opens up like that. And there are your eyelashes. I don't think I'm putting them on today. Individual lash clusters, they call it. Advanced lash extensions. I don't know if you can read that. Those are the different sizes, though. All right. Bam. Unboxing done. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.